This phone sucks.
Really?
You can't make anything bigger to look at the fireworks.
Yeah, but I just got my phone this year.
I got mine 2 days ago. Maybe 3 days ago, or 4 days ago. That looked like lightning.
Wow, you can see the whole town from here. It's awesome.
All the pretty lights. It's rain already here. I'm getting wet. Oh well.
It's good to me.
I'm just gonna do it this way.
It'll fall. You keep bouncing on the car.
Oh, you have to see that.
Yeah, they're noisy. Here.
Jeez.
Well, I'm used to it because our neighbors. I keep turning it this way and this way.
I'm trying not to get my hair so dirty. But I'm getting a shower in the morning, so. Or tonight, so.
I had a shower yesterday, so I'm probably gonna get one tomorrow morning to wake me up.
Do we have enough time to get one in the morning? Me, you get one tonight, and her get one in the morning? Yeah. Okay. Because we have to do all those things in one day. Well, not necessarily, but we're going.
I don't really need a lot, so I'm probably just gonna get a few pairs of shorts, a few shirts, and then
Mommy's
just,
in charge.
You need a bathing suit?
Yeah, bathing suit, a new bathing suit, and
She
a
knows.
few sundresses.
She knows. They talk a lot.
Deanna.
I don't know. They're putting them down there too.
The reason why I need the sundresses is because it's hot. It's really hot down in Georgia.
I see there are lightning bugs. No, they're flies with blinky butts. Mom, take this. Please, take that. I want to get a fly with a blinky butt. Ow. I'm probably going to get wet. And she's just like double tired. More cars.
Mine's zoom.
Yeah.
Turning it sideways.
I don't care how you turn it. Is the grass refreshing? Because it's wet and... Oh, they're over there too! Mommy, they're over there too.
Huh?
They're over there too. Over here. We're going to have two and they say bye-bye.
Okay, Deanna, can you come hold your phone? Because my arms are
Let
tired.
me get back on this thingy. And then on the door again.
Keep it at this angle and you will have a good shot.
Why can't you back?
The reason why I'm taking a video is because I'm going to show my brothers and be like, hey.
Explosion!
I love fireworks.
Jeez! Are we gonna go see Grandma, Aunt Christina's grave?
Huh?
Or Pappy Lynn's grave, or whatever?
Again, this one.
Well, where's their grave? There's
Whoa, do you see the thunder?
Uh-huh.
Was that it? What is that? What that was behind it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Thunder blows up the clouds and then lightning just strikes. After thunder comes lightning.
Ooh! That one's like a heart!
It was.
But it was like sideways.
Yeah, because it probably didn't fit right in
In
the cannon.
bomb machine cannon. Doohickey. Yeah, that thing. I'm getting beat or bit up by
Not
these
me.
bugs.
Well, they land on me, but they don't touch me. They don't
Nibble on you.
Did you know bugs only bite you if they like the scent of your skin?
Well, apparently I'm sweet.
No, whoops, I'm covering up with my finger.
See, you see over there, don't you? Mommy. Mommy.
What?
Buggy. Over here. They're going off too. Well, they were like it was right here. We'll do it again. That one was not. So you hear them, but you don't see them. Sometimes you see them. I saw a green one over there. Is a blue one.
I'm just trying to keep it.
I see flies with blinky butts. There's a lot of them.
You know they have names, right?
Yeah. I call them flies with blinky butts. Because they are considered flies with blinky butts.
They're not.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not.
They fly. They're flies. It's a little blinky butt. Oh, that one's like all different colors.
It's actually not their butt.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's their tail.
Girl.
Seriously, I have an insect book at my house.
Okay. You know too much.
Exactly.
Do you hear them over there? But you can't see them.
Colleen's probably watching.
Oh, geez. Lights up this whole scene. Looky. Pretty. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, cars.
We've been here for 10 minutes. I'm probably going to get back in the car. But they
We've
have
been
a long
here for
enough video.
6 plus 4 minutes.
I'm probably going to get back in the car.
Why?
Because I got a long enough date.
Push in.
You can still stand there and enjoy.
You can still sit there and stand there. Scoot over more. Is the window down? Nope.
I know.
It's getting hot out here. From your car. No, from their car. Alright, I'm gonna get in, but I'm gonna like enjoy. Cause this is too much. Me foot. It hurts.
I'm about to get in the front seat and just be like against the window.
You get the.
But I got a good video of it.
Any more? Maybe. Why isn't it doing it anymore? Oh, it is. Never mind.
Yeah, some might be low, some might
I know. We were here last year by ourselves. Just me and my mom.
This is probably the finale.
Well, they ain't showing us nothing.
be. No, the finale is awesome. Wait, I have to go.
You can see some down there, but they'll get higher.
Is somebody out there? Oh, no. It's Mom in the mirror. Alright, stop it.
Why?
Because I'm trying to video it. That's why. Come on. Where's our finale? How did they do that once? Because it's like... They only have... And they probably have got burnt before. Do they do it by the river so the stuff goes in the river? So don't burn nobody? They point it to the river. Go. Are you not going to show us anything? Never mind.
I don't know how you do that.
You put your 2 fingers and slide them out. There's no more.
He just goes.
Alright, we're done.
Goodbye, people.
Goodbye, people of the world.